Well, WeWork did skip rent payments in April to many of its Manhattan landlords, putting pressure on the nation's largest commercial real estate market. Now, brokers telling me that WeWork is trying to renegotiate leases or even get a rent freeze for April and beyond. WeWork is now the largest tenant in Manhattan with over 9 million square feet of space. That's twice as much as the number two, that's JP Morgan. And WeWork has over 100 locations now in Manhattan, pays about $500 million in rent a year just in Manhattan. Now, as to the landlords that are taking a hit with this, the biggest are Shachit Group, Rosen Group, and Rudin Management. Those are all family-owned private companies. And SL Green, which is a REIT, their stock down about 40% over the past month. These are companies with exposure not just to WeWork, but to all co-working companies. Each of them leases over 400,000 square feet to co-working companies. Now, none of them would comment on WeWork. SL Green has said in the past that WeWork is about 1% of its business. Now, WeWork may not be paying rent, but it is still charging rent to its members and renters in Manhattan. Its spaces remain open and it continues to charge those monthly fees. WeWork saying in a statement that since some of its workers are essential, it has not changed practices and continues to remain open. Now, on its own rent payments, the company says, we are individually reaching out to more than 600 global landlord partners to work in good faith towards finding an asset-specific solutions that benefit all parties involved. But clearly here, they're going to need to work out something, and never before has Manhattan been so exposed to one renter. Guys, back to you.
I was going to say, this is huge because, as you pointed out at the top, they are the largest tenant in Manhattan, and not by a small amount. And so if they go bluey on rents, this is really going to come back and snakebite an awful lot of landlords.
Yeah, bluey for the landlords, Tyler. And also, if you look up the chain, this whole market of commercial mortgage-backed securities, which is the sort of debt load behind all of this commercial space, is a market that's not getting any federal bailout money and could face a real risk just from Manhattan and WeWork alone. So that's a market to keep an eye on.